Question 35. Find the minimum sample size you should use to assure that your estimate of p hat will be within the required margin of error around the population proportion. Okay, so we have the margin of error is 0.07, the confidence level is 97, p hat and q hat are unknown. So here are my three formulas for sample size. Now, we said that p hat and q hat are unknown. Okay, so in the first one, they are known. In the second one, they are unknown. So this is the one that I will be using. I'm not using this one because they didn't mention anything about sigma, so I don't have a number for sigma to plug in into that formula. So we'll be using this second formula here for sample size. Now also, they gave me a confidence level of 97. So in order to find my z-score, I can't just simply go to the chart and get one. I have to find it for myself. See how the chart goes from a 90% confidence level to a 95 confidence level to a 98. So I don't have one for 97. Okay, so the confidence level always goes right in the middle, so 0.97. Okay, and I need to get these values over here. Now I know that the area under the entire thing is equal to 1. Okay, so to get alpha, I'm going to do 1 minus my confidence level, which is 0.97, and that's going to give me 0.03. Now the 0.03 is the area in this left tail and this right tail. All I need is the area in just one of those tails, so I'm going to do alpha over 2. So 0.03 divided by 2, and that's going to give me 0.015. Okay, so I have an area over here of 0.015 and over here of 0.015. Now we're looking for a z-score, the positive one right here. And the z-score is, it's going to have an area from this z-score all the way to the left. Okay, so I need this number and this number added together. So we get 0.97 plus 0.015, and that's going to give us 0.985. Okay, so this is an area. Now, we have a table that connects z-scores to area, and that's our z-score chart. So I need to go to my z-score chart or table and find an area of 0.985 and see what kind of z-score is associated with that area. Okay, now the numbers in the middle here, that represents the area. The numbers at the top and to the side here, that represents your z-scores. So I'm looking for an area of 0.985, so I'm going to be looking in the middle here. And looks like it is right there. Okay, so there is 0.985. Okay, so the z-score associated with that is 2.1. Let me go up 7. So 2.17 or 2.17 is a z-score. Okay, so 2.17 is my z-score. All right, and we said that the sample size that we were going to use was z squared times 0.25, because we don't know what p hat and q hat are, divided by the margin of error squared. Okay, so 2.17 squared times 0.25. The 0.25 is just coming from that formula, divided by 0.07 squared. Okay, now when I do that, I get 240.25. Now, because I have a decimal, it doesn't matter what number it is, just because I have a decimal, that means I have to round up to the next whole integer. So my final answer is going to be 241 for my sample size.